Wow, Ru. Wow, wait.
Yeah.
Did you say thank you to Tita Nikki and Tito Mike?
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow.
Ow. It's not even
Wow.
pull it
I'm
out.
gonna borrow this.
I like red.
Wow. Wow, may ano pa siya. May...
The same color that I have.
Yes. Wait. Wow. Container truck.
Oh.
Say thank you to Tito Mike and Tita Nikki, Ro.
Thank you. How
Thank
to
you, Nikki.
open?
Ang galing naman.
Open the inside.
Wait.
Then you can
This is
open
the
it.
best truck in the world, Ro. There's a sticker pa. It means it's oh, wow. Wait. Wait, I need to do this. I hear, there's a lock, Ro. Oh, galing. Oh. Wait first. Wait, baka there's another lock.
Yeah, I definitely didn't have to reset my character or anything. I did it all fair and square.
Oh, there, wow. Wait.
You're just really bad at this
Look.
game, I think.
Let's see what's inside, Ro. Wait, nag-flip siyang ganyan. Wow. Wow. It has a ramp, Ro.
It can also hold two trucks. Look.
Wow. Ooh, may sound pa. Wow. It has a truck pa, Ro, like this, oh. Look, Ro. Oh, galing naman, oh. This is the ejection, Ro.
How to open it again?
Ooh. Wow, 2 ejections. Ang galing.
How to open it again?
Wait, put it down kasi on the ground para it will... Wait. There. Oh. The ejection truck should be here siguro, Ro. I'm not sure pala. Wait.
No, it's here.
Ang galing, ah. Ooh. Ay, this one, a different ejection, oh. Ooh, like that. This one is a different truck also. Give me that. Give me another one. Ang galing, ah. This. Wow, Ro. Like this, oh.
This way. I'm going to fix it. Back.
Okay.
I just spent like $300,000 to make this car so much better.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm kind of rich. Is it because you're Batman? Exactly. Batman is very rich.
Lang. Si Mama, wala din siyang kasama.
Open the code. Open the code.
Doon lang kami sa quarry. Wala rin silang handa. Ooh.
We go, and go, go, go! Oh! Oh! I'm in front of you guys! See you guys later!
Look, bro.
Oh my God! Almost 300
Ang galing. Single ejection yan. No? I like the silver.
I like the blue.
Alvaro.
I'm going to touch it.
Oh, ang galing. Ito yung mga type niya, Nikki. Salamat.